Introducing Albi Analytics, the game changer for restoration managers. Meet Bob, the restoration manager with big dreams. Bob is on a mission to take his restoration business to new heights, benefiting both his team and loyal customers. However, there's a significant challenge. Bob lacks a clear understanding of what truly works and what doesn't within his business. He's been relying on his instincts, and it's holding him back from becoming the exceptional leader he aspires to be. Plus, his employees are in the dark, unsure of the crucial metrics that drive success. Enter Albi Analytics, a groundbreaking solution created by data-driven restoration contractors who've successfully scaled their own businesses. Albi Analytics believes that restorers like Bob deserve full visibility into every vital metric of their operations. With just a glance at a user-friendly dashboard, restoration leaders can now swiftly pinpoint what's thriving and what needs improvement in their business. Moreover, they can transparently communicate these key performance indicators to their employees in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Getting started with Albi Analytics is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Implement Albi within your organization. We handle all the heavy lifting. 2. Instantly gain access to comprehensive dashboards brimming with invaluable insights. 3. Embrace the power of data-driven decision-making from day one. Book your Albi demo today and take charge of your business like never before. Say goodbye to making decisions based on emotions and distractions. It's time to steer your restoration business using hard numbers and giving your employees the tools they need to succeed. Albi Analytics offers 3 flexible plans to cater to your unique needs. Every Albi customer receives access to our pre-built basic dashboards, ensuring you have a strong foundation for success. Restorers can also opt for additional customized dashboards with 6, 15, or unlimited options for an upgrade. Experience the transformational potential of Albi Analytics and join the ranks of successful restoration leaders who trust data over guesswork. Elevate your restoration business with Albi, where insight meets action.